Zoisha. We're at Copacabana with Bae. Al, just waiting for my food to come. This restaurant, you know, you turn it over and this means like slow it down or stop, and this means, you know, keep it calm and bring the food. They bring the meats and stuff and cut it off for you, and you have to pick it up and put it over there and stuff. So yeah. Night with Bae. Thank you. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Happy birthday, Onisha. Happy clean 31. Clean 31. Yeah. This food right now, first of all, I'm naked, bitch. But this food, seasoned, okay? Like them seasoned food. It's like a Brazilian type of, you know, place. But how does it taste? You taste alcohol?
There's no alcohol in it.
Oh Lord. And it's a paper straw.
I hate paper straws so much.
Boy. Ready? Happy birthday! Ooh! You're too slow.
No, I took a picture.
Oh!
Would you see another one?
That doesn't even look like it touched her. Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Onisha! Happy birthday to you! Ah, you won! Ah, I'm joking. One! Woo! Cheers!
Clink, 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 31. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hold on. Ready?
Ew, that's gross. Oh. I'm not used to these things.
Hold. Because hey, where's my chase?
This is my third shot, okay? A disclosure.
No problem, girl. We got you. I mean, I'm going the opposite way, but we got you. I'll text you along the way. The first one or the last one? OMG. Yo, that's what my mom said. My mom's like, your husband's gonna watch CP24 from Jamaica and be like, his wife went out and got shot. I'm like, Jesus Christ. Why do I have to get shot out of all things?
I really gotta be shot. Are y'all ready or not?
She's so ridiculous.
When the lady comes back.
All right.
Guys, you ready? Oh. How does this go now? 1, 2.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Clink, 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 clink.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on.
Wait.
That's gross. Oh.
Anyways, hey guys, it's your favorite girl Zoisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do not mind how I look. It is now winter time in Canada, and I'm just reaching from work. Luckily, I did not have work tonight. I'm so excited because there is something that I always wanted. Well, not always wanted, because I had plenty of them before. They always broke. Some always up my whatever. But if you guys remember, maybe about a year or two ago, it had to be at least 2 or 3 years ago actually, I had started a GoFundMe page for an item that I really wanted. I think 3 people donated to it, and I had like $75 to go towards this thing. Go there, I'm telling the other day, someone just, every time I go to Jamaica, I'm always like, okay, I'm gonna get it because I need it. You understand? Like, it's so hard in Jamaica to use my phone to do this while attending to other different platforms on social media and stuff like that. So I was like, yo, this trip, I'm getting it. Whether I'm out for lock my eye, do something, no pay something, be evicted, do something, I forget it. The other day I was sitting down on my desk and I just go up on a website, I just go up on Best Buy, that's it. I'm say, yeah, okay, that one you want, it is on sale. Zoe, you earned it, you're worth it, you deserve it, you're hardworking, your dedication, you deserve it. Me lock my eye, me press buy. Go there! You wanna watch see what come tonight? Oh my god, 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 I'm so excited. I don't even know why I'm in my bathroom right now, but hello. See box, wait, come in, yeah. See box. Oh no, I will wipe off my mirror today. Don't worry about it. See the box there. Go to your box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. Oh yeah. Mine, Zoe, mine. You might just be so excited and you're damaging something. Can you guys guess what it is? Stop right us and comment down below and tell me if you wanna know what it be. Okay. Why does the box look like this? But anyways, I feel like it's official now, you guys. What should we name her? Let me take off my flash. What should we name her? So this is the Sony CyberShot HX80. Okay, DSC HX80. You guys, I have been wanting this camera for so long. I don't know, I have a thing with Sony's. Like, I just like the brand. Like, everybody gets the Canon G7X or whatever the case may be. That was not in my budget. I'm not gonna broke myself. I still want to do YouTube and do other things as well and other type of things. So when I reach, you know, them way there, yeah, everything take time. Me in my own lane, and I in that lane I may stay. All right. People, look at my baby. Like, hello. Okay, let me see. Okay, I guess it needs to charge, but you guys, like, I feel so official. Before I mash it up, hold on. Oh god. Hello. Can you see me vlogging? Oh my god, yo, it's legit. Like, it's legit. Like, I have a legitimate camera. Talk to me good, talk to me nice. Hello, bye. Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Zoisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Goodie. Hello, hi, hello. Anyways, I'm here with my new camera. Yo, I'm just loving this life. Like, oh, it's my husband. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, you said prank?
No.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Just say hi to the vlog, man. Just say hi.
Alright, hi to the vlog, man.
I hate you, yo.
Hello, hi.
Hi. Come back. Yeah, now.
See ya, my way.
He's in KFC buying his dinner. Tell him I got you hooked on the wings.
No more to come, but it's
Tell them I got you hooked on the wings.
No, I'm gonna get hooked up to hotel.
Whatever. Anyways. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm doing laundry. I'm excited because I feel like now I'm gonna vlog more because like I've wanted this for so long. And am I on speaker? This nigga has me on speaker. Am I on speaker? Oh my gosh. Anyways, so yeah, I feel like I'm gonna vlog more. I feel like I'm No. Oh my god. That mom is wicked. That mother is wicked. She couldn't just make our son live.
Yeah. The man get a little eye. Don't want to see when I'm cool.
Can't bother. Anyhow, as I was saying, people, well, now me I talk to the vlog. Well, I was saying that I feel like now I feel like I'm gonna vlog more now because I've wanted this for so long, and I just feel like picking up the camera is just so much easier than vlogging with your phone, because when you're on your phone, like, you have to attend to text messages, emails, WhatsApp. Especially being in a long distance relationship, my WhatsApp is super friggin' important. You get what I'm saying? So like half of the time, even when I'm recording like a regular video, like I have to be like, okay babe, I'm gonna call you back. Then I have to turn off everything so there's no calls that are interrupting, nothing like that. Not saying you cannot record with your phone, because I've been doing it for years, but having a camera is definitely a lot more convenient. So I'm just so excited that I did this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited that I did this. Like, quality up, more content up. Talk Trumps. Big up the people that man. Yeah, look at the people that man arm. Woy yoy. Can I get a wow? You guys, this is as much as Jamaica you guys are gonna get from me right now. Make sure so when we reach, you still a runner and do something them on the hill. When you go start?
I'm able to run with you. You are enough exercise. You is enough exercise.
When are you gonna start?
Next year, January.
No.
I don't have exercise for her. January.
People, everybody exercise for this wedding. Everybody exercise. But soon carry my mother got a gym because she need for got a gym too. I mean, everybody are gonna look fit and nice and tight and right, especially my bridesmaids. Them the other day, people would change everything about the look of how everything is gonna look well with the guys. And me tell you, say for a second, I was like, yo, the guys them gonna look better than my girls. But then me just look back on the color, on the dress them and how it fit them. And my girls are hello out here stunting. Thick like dumpling. Toodaloo. Toodaloo. Walk good. Walk good. Walk good. You have to tell everybody where you live. Walk good. Bye. Oh God. Anywho, I'm gonna go wash or finish washing. Do my ear. I'm gonna look something to eat. So, yeah. So I will see you guys at another time. Oh, you guys like my nails? I don't think you can really see the sparkles. Can you? Can you? Can you? Ooh, yes. Love it. I was looking for like winter. My next one will be a little bit more wintry. But yeah, my nails have been on and popping lately. You know what I'm saying? I went back to my coffin shape from like August of last year till August of this year. I was that rounded stiletto, not this pointy, the rounded kind of stiletto. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna go back to that for the holidays. But yeah, toodaloo. Bye guys, love you guys, see you guys soon.